So you're doing a 2, is it?
Yeah, just 2 back and sides. Because obviously we don't want to go too short because he's had it quite long for quite a while.
That beard needs a trim, mate, doesn't it?
Yeah. Well,
Well, you're trying to be
I
Captain.
need a mangrove.
You're trying to be Captain
I ain't doing
Caveman.
all that. I've heard of that manscape.
Yo!
You sure, mate?
Oh,
I didn't
I'm
do
gonna-
I'll tell you what, it cost you more than 20 quid.
Do you mind if
Is
I
that what you're
leave?
doing during lockdown?
Yeah. Do you mind if I leave the room?
No, that's all, mate.
Right. Okay. So that's Ghost Bond Supreme, yeah.
Today.
And just put in. Do you put 1 or 2 coats on?
So I always put 2 when I'm doing like a regroom.
Yeah.
When I'm doing a fit in, I put 3
Yeah.
because obviously when I got to cut it, I got to comb the hair quite a lot,
Yeah,
so
that's a
it
good
obviously
point.
starts to lift a little bit more.
Right, okay.
And then we may have to do a couple of little touch-ups just at the end, just in case. But
That makes sense. What you just said then.
Yeah.
Gives you a chance to do your job properly then, if it's secure, right?
yeah, exactly. I don't have to worry about it lifting quite as much.
Yeah.
Like I said, you may get the occasional tiny little lift at the front when you start brushing the hair up.
Yeah. That's true.
Just because you've been pulling it for the last 40 minutes or so.
Yeah.
So, but then we just get a little cotton bud and we touch them up and they'll be same.
I've got a little fine little brush at home to do that.
Like the artist brush.
Yeah, the
Yeah, they're
tiny,
spot
tiny little
on.
modelling one.
Yeah.
Just to get. I don't,
see, I use
yeah. But yeah, okay.
It's like earbuds like these.
The only trouble with them though, if you leave the cotton buds too long, they gain. Sometimes they leave the cotton bud.
Yeah,
I just use for a few seconds. I literally get a little bit of glue on the end,
yeah.
and I go like that, and then
Yeah.
I use the other end to wipe off any excess.
Yeah, I do that in Consi when I'm just putting a sample on, but
Yeah.
occasionally I rub it too hard and leave some of the cotton bud on.
Oh no, I don't do.
But on the plus side, you can see that through the lace. You can see how good the lace
Yeah,
is.
I've never done that.
But
That's because I'm useless. Because I put it on like a hammer.
Try to get it as low as you want it, without looking silly.
Okay. Beautiful again. What Troy's doing is using this Tresemme conditioner for a new system that's always a little bit bouncy, and just puts it in his hand and then brushes it through. It gives it a kind of wet appearance, but takes out the bounciness when clients leave the salon. And it's really useful to use in the first few days of a fresh hair system, because fresh, new, bit bouncy. So just putting that into the system works a treat. That looks fantastic. You happy with that?
well happy with that.
Well happy. You happy, Troy?
It looks good to me.
Yeah. Okay.
Troy's happy because it looks like Troy.
Right.
He
Yeah.
asked for it like mine.
Yeah,
That's
no,
why.
yeah, that's all right. What's wrong with mine? What's wrong with the swoosh? I'm upset now.
Ain't got that many grades, have you?
Yes.
Look at me getting wet, all right? You just stay under the shade. Yep. So we just moved the hair down to show its flexibility, and looks fine. You look boyish, mate.
Yeah,
so
it's good, mate.
Here comes the YouTube video with me. Take care.
See you later, Phil.